Today, my mother asked if you were my soulmate. Today, I talked to my mom over the phone, and she asked me how my flight was. Coming back home, but the word tastes funny when I know you won't be there. Today, my mother asked if you were my soulmate, and I can't focus. I've already written this poem 4 different times with 3 other poems waiting to be written and an art project I'm hoping I won't forget, and I keep thinking about how your laugh might sound if you saw me fluttered between each and every one, my attention scattered. Today, my mother asked if you were my soulmate, and I told her I wasn't really sure I believed in them, but if I had, that we were probably assigned, probably designed to meet in some small, simple passing and then make the rest of our lives some huge, big story because of it. I told her, maybe you made me believe in things like that. And you'd hate how cliche that sounds, and it does, so maybe I'll keep it to myself, but all I know is I've never spent more words on one person. I've never wondered what forever might feel like wrapped around my finger. If not for you, she never would have asked, and I never would have taken it seriously, let alone considered. Mates or not, my soul's lingering with you, and that's all the answer I'll ever need.